the nail.
Gelato is yogurt ice cream. Yeah, but it's yogurt.
Q-R-H-I-C. Now I know the alphabet and A, B, C again. Let's sit there.
We're going.
No, your shoes.
Shoes niya daw. Where did you drop your shoe?
Yeah.
Oh, there you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Where's your shoe?
The hat
Where
and
you
the shoe.
Say thank you, not say thank you.
Thank you. Aya. Aya.
What does it say? Winter arrives on.
I don't need my shoe. I don't need my shoe.
I'll have
I
that.
don't need it. And I be carried.
No.
Come on. Let.
Your shoes.
Look at the ducks. Ang daming ducks.
Do you see them?
Call them. Quack, quack, quack. Come on. Quack, quack, quack.
Quack, quack.
Daming nasa sagyana natin.
I want Bugsy for
Do you want to sit in that seat, Ellie, or not?
Ooh, Elia, you
just
see you got a fancy chair. Yeah? No.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Is that a sheep?
This ice cream. Cookie
Ice
time.
cream.
Hindi na busog na tomato eh. Mommy, it's too cold.
Just
Reading cinemas. Dinosaur, they already sleeping. It's very light.
Are you tired, Elia? Come here. Ako naman.
Sige lang. Nagka-vlog kayo. Sige lang.
That's Tito Ron's gym area. In the candle.
Are you tired? Thank you.
Who the hell? See, I caught it. Can't do it all, but I'm just do a little bit. you gotta choose what you want to drink. You get a drink, I think you gotta choose.
Okay.
Is it later or?
I think you choose it there.
Sorry. How are you today?
Pool number 12.
So, this is your room for two. We'll use the towels. Just grab another one. And you do have your own shower in here. You just give yourself a quick rinse before you jump on in. Just be careful, these steps do get quite slippy. Perfect. Behind your pool, you will see all of your buttons. So the buttons are just on the step here, and they are explained above there as well. Just be careful with the cold water button. It will come from a chute overhead into the middle of the pool. It is very cold and it will come down quite fast. So we're going to keep an eye on the time for you. You've got 1 hour in here today. When you have 10 minutes to go, you'll hear a voice that comes over the speakers.
Cool.
All you need to do is press the acknowledge time button, which you'll find behind your pool. And when your 1 hour is over, you'll hear a buzz, which just lets you know it's then the end of your session. All right, lovely. The towels up here. I'm just going to grab another one for you, and drinks and snacks are on
Could
there.
I
Thank you.
ask for another one because we're swapping over?
Yeah, no problem. I'll bring you another
Thanks.
tray. No worries.
Thank you.
Here's one of us. Go grab
Thank
the
you.
other one for you.
That's so nice.
Let's get changed.
Yeah,
Come on.
Picture.
I'm just gonna get changed. And then the ano.
Oh.
I'll get 1 chips for me. And I have a bottle of water there. Uy, natay mo?
Ay,
Naririnig ko.
It's too hot.
No, you forgot to turn off the shower.
makes me warm.
You need to ano talaga, flush na.
Is that the switch?
High definition din. But this one that flush in the photo.
You got it ready.
Yeah. That's enough for me.
Alright.
It's enough.
Okay.
Good.
We have a hot shower though.
Last few. Last few. No stars.
No, we're pissed. Pissed. Yesterday okay. Take us 5 minutes to get up there.
Nag-post ako sa story.
What's up?
Dad?
Thank you.
Dalawa, hindi pa niya ako nakatangin.
Dark chocolate and macadamia. Ay, magkay-kay tampa. Yeah. Kay-kay tampa. Di pa ako nakatikim ng ice cream ng Patagonia eh.
Sarap. Wala mo itanghal.
May churros.